I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off page invitations on LinkedIn. I'll show you how to do this using both the LinkedIn website and LinkedIn mobile app. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Are you drowning in a sea of page invitations and longing for a clearer, distraction-free LinkedIn? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off those pesky page invitations on LinkedIn, letting you focus on what truly matters. Now let's walk through the steps to turn off page invitations on LinkedIn. First, let's walk through the steps to turn off page invitations on LinkedIn using the LinkedIn mobile app. Step 1. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then tap Settings in that menu. The settings screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap Data Privacy in this menu. Data privacy options are displayed. Step 3. Scroll down to the Who Can Reach You section and then tap Invitations from your network. The network invite screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Allow Page Invitations. Going forward, the people in your network on LinkedIn will no longer be able to send you page invitations. Now let's walk through the steps to turn off page invitations through the LinkedIn website. Step 1. Navigate to the LinkedIn website, tap your profile icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Settings and Privacy. Your LinkedIn settings screen is displayed. Step 2. Click Data Privacy in the menu on the left side of the screen. Data privacy options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the Who Can Reach You section and then click Invitations from your network. The network invite screen is shown. Step 4. Find the Network Invite section and then click to toggle off Allow Page Invitations. Going forward, the people in your network on LinkedIn will no longer be able to send you page invitations. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.